17 beautiful moss wall ideas for your home. Just because you are not very good at keeping plants alive does not mean you cannot have natural greenery in your space. Case in point, this preserved moss wall panel spotted on the UK site Plant Care. It is genuine and sustainably grown moss that is preserved thanks to natural glycerin and dyes. The result is a one-of-a-kind piece of plant art that only you will know is not living. Moss walls are ideal for bathrooms because they soak up the water from steam. San Francisco, California-based architectural firm, Scheele, created this master bathroom that not only facilitates the homeowner's daily needs but also satisfies the craving for gorgeous natural greenery. No one should have to choose between practical wall storage and beautiful greenery. Fortunately, we spotted an ingenious solution. Behold this custom entertainment center by UK-based Vantage Spaces. It includes 2 lovely moss panels. You can cover an entire wall with moss or add a few panels to punch up your current decor. The botanical art shown here was custom made for this entryway by Artisan Moss out of California. Adding beautiful greenery to your foyer makes a welcoming first impression. Here is another lovely living moss wall in an English townhouse. The bathroom was designed and renovated by Stephen Fletcher Architects. San Diego, California-based Good Earth Plant Company installed the moss wall in this black living room. The greenery is preserved lichen sustainably harvested in the Netherlands before being assembled in France via a government-funded program that provides jobs to autistic workers. Panels like these come in 9 different colors, which all use non-toxic food coloring. Moss can also be used to create lively wall signage. Custom signs like this one by the Living Wall designers at Green Wallscapes out of West Palm Beach, Florida, adds both whimsy and greenery to a living space. We mentioned earlier that moss could be dyed a range of different colors using natural and non-toxic colorants. The botanical masterpiece in this living room is by Planted Design out of Emeryville, California. The company specializes in creating maintenance-free plant creations for people who do not have the skills or time to keep their greenery alive or healthy. The wall panel designed for this open-concept home combines natural greenery with moss that was dyed hot pink. Emma Chapman, one of the bloggers behind A Beautiful Mess, created this faux living wall for her home office. While she used fake grass to create the illusion of moss, you can find faux moss at most craft stores. For the record, she purchased all of her artificial greenery at Michael's. In this New York City apartment, bricked windows conceal an unattractive view and become a fetching focal point courtesy of 2 moss wall panels by Artisan Moss. Artisan Moss is situated in California. Erin Kinsey, the owner of the company, refers to her work as plant paintings, and after a good look, it is easy to understand why. Studio Sveti Architecture out of Italy transformed an old farmhouse into this cosmopolitan haven. The home's vibrant interior reflects the rustic countryside. Our favorite spot in the house is the dining room. Covering the walls are abundant greenery and moss. The Living Wall designers at Vertigro, situated in London, England, designed this stunning creation for a small condo. The preserved piece of botanical wall art enlivens the main living area. And best of all, because the moss is no longer living yet free from decay, it requires no watering. If your home lacks a beautiful view, you can create one with a stunning backyard garden wall that features moss and leafy plants. Matarozzi Pelsinger Builders, situated in Northern California, did just that for this historic home in the Cow Hollow neighborhood. Now every single window facing the small outdoor space has a lovely view. We adore the luxurious small tub in this drool-worthy bathroom in a highly personalized condo. California-based CM Natural Design designed this. The moss wall panel above the tub gets all the nutrients it needs from the steamy air. This gorgeous moss wall by the plant designers at New Jersey-based Flowerbox is 100% maintenance-free. The design uses natural and beautifully preserved greenery to create a one-of-a-kind vertical garden. You can get mighty creative with a moss wall. This glorious wall, for instance, by Vertigrow, includes a few ferns and decorative branches for added visual interest. We also love the idea of pairing a vertical garden with a stacked stone veneer wall as shown. The lovely mix of natural textures is undoubtedly eye-catching. Here are 3 small moss wall panels by California-based Artisan Moss. They'll give a bedroom with a neutral color scheme a big dose of natural greenery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.